Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM cards on your Google Pixel 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, the Google Pixel 9 or the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL Fold. So here we go. So here is my Pixel 9 Pro. This is the SIM card tray ejector pin, and here is the nano SIM that we will insert in our device. So first of all, make sure that your device is either switched off or it is in the airplane mode. After that, if you have a look at the bottom, here on the right corner you will find this SIM card tray slot, and at the edge of the tray you will find this tiny hole. You can see that there is a hole outside this tray as well. That is a microphone, so be careful that you don't need to do anything with this tiny hole because it will damage the microphone. We have to use this another one at the right edge of the tray. So now you have to insert this SIM card tray ejector pin in this tiny hole here, like this, and then apply a bit of pressure, and as you can see the tray popped out. Now you can just take it out. You can see there are some text here on this side. This side is empty, there is nothing written on it. So this is the spot where we will put our SIM card. Now what you have to do, you need to follow the shape of this slot and match it with the shape of this SIM card. So you need to put it like this, and you can see that it is fitting perfectly in this slot here. Now you need to put this tray back in your Google Pixel 9 Pro or whatever Google Pixel 9 series smartphone you got. Now one thing important here is that this hole here of the tray must match with this hole here on the slot. So make sure it is aligning perfectly like this. And now you can just slide it in, and you can see it's fitting perfectly. Now if your device is switched off, then switch it on, or if it is in the airplane mode, then you can just turn off the airplane mode and wait few seconds, and you can see at the top right edge of my display the signal started coming. 5G signal is coming as well. If I go to the settings and then go to the network and internet, the SIM card is being detected. The name of the service provider is showing as well. So everything is working fine. Signal is coming. We are getting 5G signal and it's working fine. So this is how you can insert the SIM card on your Google Pixel 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, Google Pixel 9 or whatever Google Pixel 9 series smartphone you got. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.